Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted tutorials for a while, but no worries, I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my squishy bunnies. As always, a short introduction of the materials needed. You'll need a bunny mold, some mixing tools like sticks and cups, color dyes, and the squishy silicones. So let's start. The silicone could be measured by weight or volume, so you can get a measuring machine prepared. I'm adding 45 grams of Part B silicone and mix it with same amount of Part A, because I commonly use 1:1 ratio. Remember, the more Part B you add, the softer and stickier your squishy will be. Adding too much Part B can lead your squishy into trouble. It's extremely hard to demold them out of the silicone. Add the color dye you want in the mixture. Stir thoroughly to ensure a smooth mixture. Wait for a few minutes to release the air bubbles that come out while stirring. Now the bubbles are gone and we can pour the mixture into the mold. To make sure less air bubble, I usually apply Vaseline to the mold. It works great for me, but I have to wash off the Vaseline after demolding. It's okay if you don't mix enough silicone. Just redo the steps and add an extra cup. Now all we have to do is to wait for it to cure. I just made some bunnies in several different colors. Now this is where our imagination works. Get some beautiful eyes for your bunnies. Or you can also use the regular black eyes. They all come out lovely. And also don't forget the eyeshadow or any other makeup powders, just in case you're looking for custom appearance for your bunnies. These are 3 of my most frequently used makeup palette. Let's start with the purple. Grab some powder with brush and slightly tap it on the part you want. Ears, cheeks or hands, feet and tail. Sorry for the terrible zooming I didn't notice while filming. Now we need to attach the eyes with glue. So I need to cut off the curve eye part to flat first. Just a little bit of glue. Attach the eyes right after. I want to attach some lovely decors like bow knot. Glue it on the back head. You may want to hold on the bow knot for a while until the glue dried. Otherwise, the bow knot would easily fall off. So adorable already! And I also want to make her a pearl necklace. She looks like a princess. The heart in these eyes are not at the same direction, which kind of an upset though. Anyway, I'm so happy with the final look. I'll now make the rest of the bunnies. The rest of the bunnies are using the black eyes. Which one do you like? Let me know in the comment. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next video!